Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go up to you guys on the S&P 500 again. This is the SPY. We have been tracking our bear flag here, looking to see if we can break above it. And as you guys can see, again, we did get confirmation. We did break above it. And as you guys can see, our 20-day moving average is just looking to see if we can cross back over our 50. And we are looking to see if we can continue on with this strength to the upside. As you guys can see on our EMA lines, we do have our EMA lines crossing above the median of our MACD again, giving us that strength that we have been talking about, breaking above our previous buy pressure point, giving us that confirmation to continue on higher. Now we are testing our 412 point. Again, this is a very strong point here on our VPVR. Are we going to continue on past it? Are we going to get a rejection and look for that retest for that healthier move up? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. And if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, what we are looking for is to see if we can continue on past this 412 level, if we will hold it or if we will get rejected. As you guys can see, we currently do have a wick to the upside as we are getting that rejection at a very strong point. Again, very rightfully so, as this is, again, our consolidated point that we had before our major sell-off, and our strongest point that we have here on our VPVR. As you guys can see, all previous volume points are nothing near the amount of volume that was traded within this time frame. So we are very much testing this level, and our question is, do we have that strength to continue on higher? What I would be looking for to get that strength is looking at our MACD. As you guys can see, we do have our buy pressure that we have been continuing on higher with. We have our EMA lines showing us a lot of bullish momentum, as we have been mentioning. Our EMA lines crossing above the median of our MACD, showing us a lot of bullish momentum, mentioning that playing to the downside will be very risky. As you guys can see, we are now looking to see if we can break above our previous buy pressure points. That is our next level that we are technically looking to see if we can continue on past. Again, previously we were looking to see if we can continue on above our previous buy pressure points, as we have been getting white shaded lines and then continuing on with buy pressure. Now we are looking to see if we can continue on with buy pressure overall to get that rally. And again, very much looking at Tuesday and Thursday, because Fed Bullard will be speaking on Tuesday. If he mentions anything about a possible 50-point base rate hike leading into the next meeting, or Mester speaking on Thursday is going to be talking about Fed rate hikes and possible decreases in inflation. We'll see exactly what they do mention. If they mention anything very dovish, then we do have a lot of reasons that we could continue on higher here. We will keep an eye on those two things this week, but again, very much looking to see if we can continue on with that buy pressure on our MACD. Now, looking at our relative strength here on our RSI, again, we have been getting confirmation breaking into newer highs. We did mention that we were looking for confirmation breaking above our previous high here, and we did get that confirmation. Now we are pointing into possible overbought territory, and very rightfully so, as we are testing a very strong resistance here on our VPVR. Again, previously we did have our EMA lines crossing above the median MACD. We did mention this, and this was the biggest rally that we had of the year, and that is why the SPY is on the watch to see if we can gap up to 422 and get that possible retest. So in my opinion, playing to the downside would be very risky. And then with us testing this level here, I would be keeping an eye on two things this week. Fed Bullard will be speaking on Tuesday, and Fed Mester on Thursday. If they do mention a possible decrease in Fed rate hikes leading into our next meeting, a possible 50 basis points, if they do even get that tone in the air and it starts to cycle through news, then you could see a lot of momentum come from that. We'll see if we do get that continuation. We'll see exactly what Bullard and Mester have to say this week. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts that we mention every single day throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you instables that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate everyone. You guys, we're going to continue to go at it, stay patient, continue to take what the market gives us. Again, a very nice rally that we've been having this last week. We will see if we do continue. Either way, even when we had this major pullback, we still had very nice intraday plays in the instables room. So we'll just continue to stay patient and take what the market gives us. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.